Make $500 today, get paid to do surveys, blah, 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 invite friends, all kind of other stuff. This website here is, I don't know, Savvyconnectec, who knows, it looks like some weird thing, .xyz. And then when you go there, it has all these weird numbers. But anyways, let's check this out. Is it a scam? Is it legit? What exactly is it? Well, let me tell you something. Based on hundreds of other websites that I reviewed that look exactly like this one and very similar, especially when they're making these outrageous claims of $500 today, it's a little ridiculous. And then they have like a $25 bonus sign up. Yeah, right. Okay, so first of all, today is March 4th, I believe, 2022. This website was only created on January 31st, so a little over a month old. So you always want to check that if you think it's a shady site, because they always tell you stuff like, you know, whatever. And then, actually, where's the inside of it here? Here we go. This is what it looks like on the inside. I have this invite code. The website is completely different URL, which I did a review on this site before in the past too, which was totally shady. So that's kind of weird, I would say. And then they have these offers here where they basically want you to spend money to get money. But first of all, I didn't get a $25 bonus when I signed up. I don't see that anywhere in my account. I don't know. It's kind of weird. But then they send you to these other sites where you have to do these offers where you can pay money for, you know, because that's how they make their money, by referring people to these things. And then you end up spending money, and they claim they're going to give you $50, but I highly doubt that. So, and like I said, I've reviewed a lot of these sites, and you can even look at the testimonials here. The strange thing about the testimonials, now, if you go on Fiverr.com, you could hire these people. I'm not saying this site does that. I didn't go on Fiverr and look, but usually when I go into Fiverr, I can find one of these people or several of these people. They get paid advertisements. They get paid to make these videos. And if you actually go to the YouTube site here, you can see that this is completely a social earn, completely different site or name. And these testimonials from October 5th, 2021, but the website came out in 2022. So they made these, and this is about social earn. So they just like copy and paste this stuff. Another thing too, check this out. Let's go to About Us page, because a lot of these sites are just scripts they just copy and paste. If you look here, they forgot to put their name in there. As an online community of over 20 million users. It's almost like they have all these red flags in here, and if you don't catch them, you're going to sign up. It has their website name up here, which, you know, whatever, but they forgot to put it down here. So that's another red flag. And it looks like this clock reset itself, because in the beginning of the video, it was like, I don't know, a minute left or something. So that just kind of like, they try to make you rush to get into these claims, claim offer, whatever, blah, blah, blah. You know, oh, I already clicked on it, so they're saying I'm committing fraud already. So typically these sites, they take your information. There's lots of things they do actually on sites like this. If you've any experience with them, put them in the comments below. They either, one, will sell your information, or two, make you sign up for other things, do offers you spend money on, and they never pay you. They could do both of these things too. So just so you know, oh, there's my $25 balance. Let's go to cash out. Probably need a minimum of something to cash out. Select my payment method. I'm not putting any of my stuff in here. In fact, I used a fake email to sign up. Select me. Let's see if they pay me in PayPal. It's gonna ask for obviously my email address, which I'm not gonna do. But PayPal success, cash out. So you need a minimum of $200 to cash out. So yeah, they're gonna run you around forever. And other sites I experienced like this, they never pay, they never contact you back. You do all the stuff, and you know, it's just kind of strange. You know, even the name up here is social is different than the name up here. Just whatever, I don't know. It looks really shady to me. I would stay away from it. Check out my channel though. I have bunch of really legitimate offers you can check out. I'll put them in the links in the description below or in the video here somewhere. But anyways, that is all for now. I will talk to you soon.